Hey everybody, it's Steve from Steve and Tammy of the 2P4D1 van bunch here. That's 2 people, 4 dogs in one van. So we're getting ready to hit the road. We're probably going to be spring before we get this done. It's a long project, but we're moving along good, getting a lot done. Hey, it's like Christmas here, you know, it's beginning first week of the month, you know, so we just got our pay and we're buying some goodies for the van. So we got one of the LED bars for the top of the van came in. Got to look at that, huh? Yeah, that's a 32-inch.
It's gonna be bright.
It'll be nice. It's curved, you know, so it'll shine out to a nice broad spectrum. I got a 42 coming for one end of this. I think we decided we're going to put the 42, the long one, in the front and the shorter one here on the back. Then there's a couple of spots coming for the sides. And then what else did we get this month? I had to get some more wire loom cover. This expands so that you can run wires down through there. See, that'll actually open up like that and go down over a harness. And that protects all the wires inside from scuffing and wear. It keeps them from shorting out against the body. All right. So we got a roll of that. That's a good common size. That's like 1/2 inch. Then I got 2 of these. This is what's coming. We got more coming over the next week or so. I got 2 of these. I don't know how well they're going to work, but these are going to go up in the roof. Okay, going to go up through the headliner and out top, and that interlocks like that.
Does it blow in?
This blows out.
Okay.
Okay, so this is going to be an exhaust. All right, so one of the things I'm not doing is I'm not putting a great big 14-inch, cutting a big hole in the roof and putting that in. And I'm going to use my overhead headliner, the ductwork for my AC there. So if we've got nice temperatures and I got the windows popped open, now on a passenger van, turn it and look in this way. You see this window over here, right up behind the driver's seat, that long one right there. In a passenger van, that pops out. It only opens about that far. It's hinged at the top edge. And then over here in the doors on the side, we have the same arrangement. We've got 2 windows in here in the side doors. You can see this one here. It's got a latch at the bottom. It's hinged at the top. That pops out also. So I can get a lot of air that'll flow through the van that way. So we're going to put 2 of these in the back side right up here. All right, that keeps me from cutting a monstrous hole in the roof and destroying my headliner and all that. And these will flow 60 cubic foot per minute. There's 60 CFM each. That'll give me 120 back here.
You got those on Amazon?
I got those off of Amazon, yep. Had to do a little hunting. They are 12 volt DC. So
He'll put the link in.
I can wire. I'll put it in the video. So we're gonna put 2 of those in. So that's what came in the shipments yesterday. We've got more coming, other stuff. So when you're looking at the van, you see I cut a great big old hole in the floor in the back here. And I trimmed this cross member that used to come down here to this area in the back. And I put a lot of thought into whether I wanted to cut that out or not. But after looking at the arrangement and the fact that the